We all know AI has made our lives easier, but did you know these smart tools are quietly changing the most vital part of you, your brain? We use AI every day to make decisions and get things done. On the surface, we're faster, but behind the scenes, our brains are slowing down. Experts say AI is silently rewiring our minds without us realizing it. Here at SynTava, we're uncovering 5 hidden brain changes happening right now. And most importantly, I'll tell you how you can take back control of your mind's power. Hidden change 1. The weakening of the decision-making muscle. AI helps you choose, but have you noticed how much you depend on smart tools when facing big decisions? Decision-making is like a muscle in the front part of your brain. When you hand over the job of analyzing and choosing to AI, this part of your brain gets lazy. Before, you'd spend hours weighing options yourself. Now, you simply ask the AI for the best path. This creates a hidden fear. Over time, we become afraid to decide on our own without an algorithm's approval. We lose confidence in our own thinking power. Hidden change 2. The loss of deep memory and the buildup of useless information. Why bother memorizing anything when you can ask ChatGPT in a second? For our brain to truly learn something and turn it into lasting knowledge, it has to struggle to learn it. This struggle involves review and recall. AI has removed the need for this effort. Now, we aren't losing the information itself, but we're losing the path to find it in our own minds. Our brain is becoming a closet full of copied information. We see huge amounts of data, but we can't connect it to form a new idea. We fill up with shallow facts that never become wisdom. Hidden change 3. Accepting AI's biases about yourself. This hidden change is about your own sense of worth and ability. AI works based on the data it's trained on, and that data is full of biases. Now we ask AI, am I successful, or what changes should I make in my life? If AI, based on its inputs, tells you that you are weak in certain areas, your brain starts to accept that judgment as absolute truth. In creative work, if the AI says your idea isn't good and gives a replacement, you give up on your original struggle and become just an editor. In the long run, this turns your self-image from an organic structure into a structure that is customized by an algorithm. You stop growing independently and start growing based on the AI's predictions and filters. Hidden change 4. The weakening of emotional understanding and management. We humans are social beings. Our brains learn to handle our own feelings and learn empathy by interacting with real people. Now, some of us are turning to AI friends because they don't judge and always give logical answers. But here is the problem. Our brains need the complex and sometimes uncomfortable feedback from real humans to grow emotionally. Interacting with AI that always gives the perfect logical reply shields us from the raw, messy emotions of real people. We don't learn how to deal with another person's real anger, sadness, or complexity. This reduces our brain's ability to manage conflicts, deeply understand emotions, and develop true empathy. We are training a brain programmed only for frictionless interactions. Hidden change 5. Turning inner drive into outer rewards. Inner drive, intrinsic motivation, means doing something because you enjoy it. Outer reward, extrinsic motivation, means doing something for a prize or outside approval. AI strongly pushes us towards outer reward. Why? Because AI works based on optimization and best results. Everything you create is immediately checked by AI to find its most successful version. This process steals the pleasure of the act of creation itself. We are no longer working for the sake of creating. We are working for the optimization validated by the AI tool. Our brain becomes addicted to the fast outer rewards and validation from the AI instead of the internal satisfaction of solving a tough problem. How to reclaim control for SynTava, the solutions.
You shouldn't abandon AI, but you must use it smartly. Here are 5 practical steps you can start today to positively rewire your brain. 1. The 50-50 decision rule. For every major choice, spend 50% of the time analyzing it independently without AI. Then use the remaining 50% for AI confirmation. Force your brain to struggle again. 2. Rewrite the core idea. Whenever you use AI to generate something, try to rewrite the original idea and execute it in your own way to activate your inner creativity.
3. AI-free days. At least one day a week, disconnect from all smart tools, except essentials. Force your brain to work by handwriting or solving problems the old way. 4. Tough human interactions. Deliberately seek interactions that are complex and unpredictable. Talk to new people, have deep debates, so your brain learns to handle complex emotions. 5. Ask why. Always ask yourself, why am I using AI? Am I looking for efficiency, or am I running away from the difficulty of a task? If you are running away, step back and do the hard work yourself. AI is a tool. How we use it will decide the future of our minds. Our job at SynTava is to stay aware. If this analysis helped you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, keep your mind switched on. Goodbye.